Hi, here is a Reaper bait boat. This is a standard boat which has been upgraded. It has lights which you can turn on and off via the handset. There's your main lights on, main lights off. One 10mm LED at the front and two 5mm either side. You have two blue at the back. And also an orange either side. But the LED colour is a choice of your own. Also, added extras are top quality anti-vandal switch, digital battery meter, and also hopper lights to let you know that your baits have been dropped. Left and right. The boat holds 3k of bait as standard. The boat only weighs 5.5 kg with battery in. It takes one 6-volt battery and it will last you 2 to 2.5 hours.